Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by working a small section so you control the peel. Use a utility blade to score a 3/4-inch tab, then warm the paper lightly with the heat gun. This loosens adhesive without damaging drywall. Once the edge lifts, pull slowly at a low angle to avoid tearing. If paper resists, apply adhesive remover, wait a minute, then continue. Make sure to clean residue with a sponge and mild solution so the wall beneath is ready for repair. Once the paper is off, focus on restoring the substrate. You remove adhesive residue by applying solvent in small areas, scraping with a flexible putty knife, and wiping clean. Next, fill any gouges or seams with spackle feathering edges. Let it dry fully, then sand to a smooth finish. After sanding, vacuum and tack the dust away, and apply a stain-blocking primer to patched spots so the new material bonds evenly. This prevents bleed-through and ensures you hang the first panel straight using a plumb line, keeping 1/2-inch overlap to match pattern. Apply adhesive per product directions and book if applicable. Once on the wall, smooth from center outward with a brush or smoother to expel air and align the design, then trim excess cleanly. For finishing, roll seams gently. If a seam lifts later, inject adhesive behind it, press and roll, and use gentle heat to reactivate glue. This fixes common failures without full removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.